The greatest thing about our work is, of course, the opportunity to work with new people all the time. When that phone rings, it's somebody that needs something, and if I can't fill it, I find somebody else, and that's how Rick and I got acquainted. For example, Wayne Mosta, a retired pastor from Decorah, Iowa, owns property here in Clear Lake. He described what his need was, and I have this gentleman from American Waterworks that can handle this other part. That's kind of how it works, and we do refer you folks. The workmanship was done timely, the job was completed. You know, going into the job and leaving the job site, your crew that was there, it was, you wouldn't know they were there. It was that well done after the plant was done. It was cleaned up after. That's so important, and it also makes the work look better. They were equipped well, they were prepared for their work, they had a handle on what they, you know, again, planning your work, working your plan, they had a handle on that real well as far as the cooperation between the three of them. Timeliness, I didn't anticipate they'd complete it in a day, and they did. As far as the integrity of the individuals, they're all friendly, hard workers, engaged. They're very engaged at what needed to be done. It seemed top-down instruction was just straightforward, and then each of them kind of went off in their area and took care of what they needed to take care of. When they were finished with the work, he called me, had me come over and take a peek at it. And I said, so what do I need to do now other than shake your hand and say, job well done and thank you? Because when it's a partnership, the reflection of the integrity of the work is on both partners. As far as personal cleanliness and coming to the work site prepared to work, and I give them high marks in all that area.